A wheelbarrow makes life on the farm quite easier. It helps you move stuff around with minimal effort. How to store a wheelbarrow the right way. Leaving them outside is not a good idea because it leads to tray damage. Plastic trays become dry and brittle due to exposure to the sun, while metal trays rust when they gather water. When choosing a perfect home for your wheelbarrow, there are a few important factors to consider. Keep it out of reach of children. Secure it properly to keep it from falling. Store it in an indoor dry space that will always keep it dry in all seasons. Choose a spot you can see it oftentimes to notice when it falls or become damp. Storage considerations. Ceiling storage. Drill holes in the wheelbarrow bin and set up a pulley to raise the wheelbarrow up. Use a very strong heavy-duty rope to support the weight. Before you choose this option, consider your personal strength. See if you will be able to mount it and remove it as the need arises. Fenceline storage. If you have a wooden fence, you will need some 2x4s, a clothesline, and some screws to secure your wheelbarrow. This storage method will not protect your wheelbarrow from all the weather elements, but it is a great space saver and very convenient. Create extra storage. Adding more shelves or cabinets will help you use your available space efficiently. You may also consider storing your wheelbarrow upside down and storing more stuff under it to create more room. You may also get professional help to help expand your garage or your shed with a bump out. Wall bracket storage. You mount it to a garage wall or shed using different hooks designed for hanging this tool. A good set of hooks will allow you to put the bottom lip in before swinging the top to the upper brackets. Removing it from this storage reverses the process of hanging. Different hooks hang differently. A quick look at a hardware store will help you with the kind of hooks you want to use. Why is it important to store a wheelbarrow safely? It increases workflow and due to efficiency saves you time and money. A well-arranged garage or shed makes a tidy workplace that is easy to pull out any tool, use it, and place it back with less effort and time. Keeps it from breakage. Poor storage leads to the breaking of handles and bending of the axle due to corrosion. Keeps you and your family safe. Your children, pets, and you are kept out of danger with a well-stored wheelbarrow. Educate your children on the danger of playing with a wall-mounted or ceiling-hanged wheelbarrow. It can cause injurious danger to them. To help prevent corroding, coat the wheelbarrow with olive oil. Let the wheelbarrow dry well before oiling it and keeping it away. Always clean your wheelbarrow thoroughly before storing it, no matter what material it is made of. For metal wheelbarrows, this prevents rusting. To keep your wheelbarrow in good working condition for years, it's best to properly store it. It will save you space, time, and energy removing and placing it back. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.